Hi angels, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is the last video of 2020. The next video you guys are going to watch is in 2021, and hopefully it is a good video to start off the year for you guys. So today's video, I'm going to be talking about my New Year's goals and resolutions that I want to accomplish in the new year. I did a whole video putting up my vision board and taking down my 2020 vision board, and I talked about all the goals and everything, and then I said that I was going to make a video just in depth on every single goal and how I got to that goal and how I made it so in depth and specific and things like that. So this video is really narrowing down how to help you guys with tips, how to help you guys achieve your goals and actually accomplish them. So since I had nothing to film, I didn't want it to be just me talking. I needed footage of something. So since I filmed this right after Christmas, day 26, you guys are seeing this on the 27th, so I filmed it on the 26th, which is the day that I'm recording this also. I decided that I was going to clean my room and organize everything for Christmas. So here's me starting to organize. I showed you guys it before, and then at the end I will show you guys the after. So let's just get straight on into the video and all of the goals that I have and tips that you guys should use for the new year. So my first goal is to be more fit. So that is just an overall concept. It's not super specific, so I want to teach you guys how to make it more specific, which is what I actually put on my vision board. I put that I wanted to lose 30 pounds this year, which is very good because I said that I wanted to lose about 2 to 3 pounds a month. And I also said that I wanted to exercise 3 times a week. Now, those are specific ways that I could get fit and lose weight. So when you make goals, my tip is just to have an overall general goal and then try to make it more specific and have action plans and things how you're going to actually make it. So again, my first goal was to be more fit, and my action plans are to exercise 3 times a week, and my goal overall is to lose 30 pounds. So the next goal to fit in a smaller size kind of piggybacks of being more fit. So obviously I have to be more fit to lose weight and to fit into smaller sizes. So to be more specific, I want to be a size medium or small, because obviously everything kind of just, it just changes depending on what it is. I also said that I wanted to fit in size 4 jeans. I fit in size 6 right now, so I wanted to go down 1 size, which I think is pretty good. So again, that just shows that it's really more specific, and I made an overall plan to lose weight and fit into smaller sizes, and then I chose specific sizes, and I had a game plan on how much weight I wanted to lose. So again, be specific, make sure it's measurable, because obviously it's measurable for me because I said over the course of a year. I'm not saying in a month I want to lose 30 pounds because that is unhealthy. And if that happens to you, then you might want to go see a doctor because that's really, really not healthy. So obviously I made all of these goals over a year, and if you want to see how I put them on my vision board, I will link it in the last video that I did. This next tip is more like mental health type thing. So I wanted to say that I wanted to find myself. So to be more specific, I want to learn as much about myself in this year before my confirmation. If you guys didn't know, that's a Catholic sacrament, but I'm not going to go into specifics. So I wanted to learn more about myself, and my game plan for that is kind of to do things that make me happy, which is another goal, but also to do things for me and not for other people, because I have a tendency to be a people pleaser sometimes. And I want to really step out of my comfort zone and try to find out who I am and what I want to do in my life outside of school, outside of church, all that good stuff. So in just specific, I want to learn more about myself before confirmation, which is probably in September, and I haven't signed up for it yet. So I think you sign up in January and then you do it in September. So I have 9 months to find myself, and I think that's plenty of time, but everyone differentiates. So I don't want to find myself completely, because everyone changes and grows, but I just want to make sure that I know as much as possible about myself now than in the future, and stop focusing on the future and start focusing more on the present. So that's my game plan. Again, tips, tricks on how you guys can be more specific with your goals. Obviously it's measurable because confirmation is 9 months. So obviously I want to do it before 9 months. It's specific because it's learning about myself, but it's also telling me what I want to accomplish. So it's time manageable, it's timely, all that stuff. So if you look up SMART goals, then all of these goals are going to be under SMART goals. So this next goal of starting to journal, I think it will really help me with like self-development. So I want to start journaling every night. That's what I wrote down. That's not what I put on my vision board, just because I didn't want it to be so specific, because you know, it would take too much room up. But I do want to start journaling every single day, every single night, whenever I have the time, just every single day in general, so that I make sure that I know what I'm doing in my life, and that not in my life, but like I get everything out, because I have a tendency just to absorb everything, and then one day I'll just shatter, like just like I'm like a sponge, like it absorbs things. So I absorb things slowly, and then one day I'll just burst like all the water out. So I think writing things out will help me with my self-development and finding myself. So that is another goal that I have for the new year. So I put these both in the same category because getting 100 subscribers and improving my YouTube skills are kind of two different goals, but they go together. So I want to get 100 subscribers, so make sure you guys subscribe to my channel and like and give me feedback on what you guys think. And to do that, I want to improve my YouTube skills. So by doing that, I watch Catherine Manning and her vlogs and everything, and her vlogging style. I really like it, and I watch other YouTubers that I look up to, so that I know like their vlogging style and their video style and their tips, because they give tips like at least in every single video. They're like, oh, I do this for my videos. So I think that's how I'm going to improve, by watching YouTubers in action. I feel like that's the best way for me to learn things, is just being in action and watching other people do that. So those two go together, so make sure you guys subscribe to my channel to be part of the Angels team. And once you do that, hit the notification bell so you won't miss another one of my videos, and you'll be part of the #Angels notification team. So I can't do this without you guys. So hopefully this year, 2021, we will hit 100 subscribers. That will be amazing, and I love each and every one of you. So thank you for all the love and support, and continue to give me feedback on my videos, because I want to grow and improve every single day. So this next goal is probably the only goal that is actually school related, is to maintain a 4-point GPA. I already have a 4-point GPA, and part of a SMART goal, which is SMART, is to be attainable and achievable. So this goal is achievable personally to me, because I already have a 4-point GPA. So I just want to maintain it and grow and learn new things and make sure that I'm actually doing everything I'm supposed to. If you have D's, do not ask for A's in the school year. I mean, you could do it, but don't be like, oh, I want a 4-point GPA if you have like a 2.0. So I feel like if you want to improve, just say that you want a 3.0 or something like that. You want A's and B's, not just A's, because then it's more achievable, and you'll most likely, there's times where I'm like, I'm good with a B, but then I'm like, no, I wouldn't be. You need to understand yourself and know that, you know, it's really hard to get 4.0. Like, you know, I know that because I try to achieve 4.0. I study a lot for that, but you need to also realize that like not everyone can get a 4.0. Some people are scared to ask questions. I'm scared to ask questions sometimes, and that's why I get B's, but I don't let it get to the point where I leave it as a B. So my final grades are always A's, because I ask questions and I make sure that I try to get a higher score for the next one. So achieve what you want to achieve. If you have a 2.0, go strive for a 3.0. Don't go above and beyond and be like 4.0, because that's really, really hard to do. So we're almost done with these goals, but I categorize these two resolutions or goals together, because by loving myself, how am I going to do that? By doing things that make me happy. So I feel like these two goals just obviously go together, because one kind of helps the other. So it's like I do things that make me happy, like massage days, spa days, working out, reading, whatever helps you love yourself more, makes things you happy, will help your mental health, which means you're trying to love yourself more, help your physical self, which makes you love yourself more. So it's like, it's a win-win either way, and these two goals just go together. And this again shows how it's specific, time achievable, because I'm trying to do this by the end of 2021. So all of this stuff kind of just goes together, if it makes sense. Okay, you guys, so the last and final goal is to save $10 a month. So how am I going to do this? Number one, I want to get a job, even though the pandemic, but I still want to get a job this year, the coming year. And number two, just saving money. So like when I gain money, I want to save $10 out of that money and put it somewhere else. I have a tendency to just keep the money and then buy whatever I want. And that's not very smart because we have future things that I want to do in my life. So that is the last goal. So I really want to make sure that you guys know that all these goals, just keep asking yourself, how do I want to achieve these goals? How do I want to do this? How do I want to do that? Come up with a overall goal and then make it more specific and have the details. This way that your goals will become a reality and you're not just dreaming, but you're making it a reality. So that's what I've been trying to do. You know, I wanted to make a YouTube channel. I made a YouTube channel this year. So it's like everything that I wanted this year I've kind of been able to achieve. So thank you guys so much for watching today's video. I love you guys so much. I hope this video helps you with your goals. This is the after of me organizing my room. I love you guys so much. Make sure you guys stay tuned for next Sunday's video because it's just the start of the new year. Make sure you guys subscribe to be part of the Angels team. Also set that notification bell to be part of the hashtag Angels notification team so that we can hit 100 subscribers this year. Number one, when you hit the bell, number one, you won't miss another one of my videos, and number two, you will be part of the hashtag Angels notification team. Once you comment that down below, I will start doing notifications in 2021. So next week we will have a notification, a shout out for you guys. I said notification, but a shout out in each video in 2021. I love you guys so much. Thanks for watching this video all the way through. Comment down below what your New Year's resolution that you want so that I know that you've watched it all the way through and how you are going to accomplish that goal. Anyways, I love you guys so much. Stay tuned for next Sunday's video because I promise you guys it will be an amazing one. Bye guys.